Welcome back to another video. So today I will be doing a video on how to make squishies packaging. So I've already just made two with this and with an apple. I'm not that proud of this one because the packaging is obviously like that. But and the next one I'm going to make is for a banana. Sorry, but first you need just some markers. Second, you need paper, markers, scissors. I'll put all of the materials in the background too. Sorry guys, I can't talk right now. I'm sorry. But we need some paper, markers, scissors, tape, a bag, and a squishy. So first you have to make sure that the squishy fits in its bag, just like this. Yes, a Ziploc bag. Second, you have to draw and cut out the things, but I've already done that. I'm gonna make 2 bananas to go in there. I'm so sorry guys, I have like a stuffy nose. And then you need like something that says it. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it out. I already did that because if I don't wanna shish kebabs, but I don't wanna do this on camera because that'll take like a million years. But yeah, just put them all on their backs. If you could use computer paper, I recommend it, but I use paper for my notebooks because that's the only white paper that I have, not to be racist or anything. But yeah, just take pieces of tape, like tape them like that. And yeah, sorry that this is going to be a long video. So, hello fella. There we go. And then sorry that this is taking really long, but yeah, that's how you do it. And then, sorry for the bad lighting, I'll change it to my shadow. There we go. So yeah, the packaging is complete. But I would like to cut this part because I feel like it's just not so professional. Just like that. So I'll just cut this off. So yeah, I'll just put this. I'm just gonna put it. That's it for this tutorial. if you haven't already, then just please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I post. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Basically, it's a clay unicorn. My Roblox is, I'm just kidding, I don't have Roblox, no offense. Shut your ears if you're a Roblox fan. I literally hate Roblox so much. That app is one of the worst apps that's ever happened in my life. Okay, you can uncover them now. But yeah. I did a musically on the Apple one, and I just made this one. But yeah. Bye, guys.